1, he sleeps peacefully. The cats are already under the blanket. Territory established. 2, hey, that kiss needs approval. This human is taken. 3, nose to nose. This is trust. This is mine. 4, a quiet hug. No words needed. Human claimed. 5, nose to nose again. 6, the cat notices. Something feels off. I'm here. 7, pet me. Right now. That's better. 8, a big yawn. Being protective is tiring work. 9, gaming time starts. Lap is occupied. No movement allowed. 10, sometimes I look serious. I'm not angry. I'm watching. No excuses. 11, work mode on. I stay close. Supervision continues. Still pet me. 12, gym time. 13, bath time. Privacy disappears. I must watch. Manager has arrived.